Number 1, m is 2/3, b is 1. Write the equation, y equals 2/3 x plus 1. Number 5, slope is negative 2/3, b is 3. Just write it in the form y equals mx plus b. They give me the m and the b, so y equals negative 2/3 x plus 3. Number 11, 3x plus y equals 3. Make it look like y equals mx plus b, so I subtract 3x on both sides. Y equals negative 3x plus 3. So the slope is negative 3. The y-intercept is 3. So I go to 1, 2, 3. Slope is negative 3. That's like negative 3 over 1. So I go over 1, down 3, and draw the line like so. 17, negative 2x minus 5y equals 10. Add 2x to both sides. Negative 5y equals 2x plus 10. Divide by negative 5. Divide by negative 5. Y equals negative 2/5 x minus 2. So the y-intercept is negative 2. The slope is negative 2/5. That's the coefficient of x. So I go down to draw a dot, and then I go over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down 2. So I go over 5 and down 2. In 19, they give me a point and a slope, so I use the point slope form. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So y minus y1, y minus a negative 5 equals m of 2 times x minus a negative 2. These are both double negatives, so y plus 5 equals 2 times x plus 2. Distribute, 2x plus 4, subtract 5, y equals 2x minus 1. 25, the point is negative 1, 4. The slope is negative 3. This is my x1, y1. That's my m. So y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, x minus a negative 1. Y minus 4 equals negative 3 times x plus 1. Distribute, negative 3x minus 3. Add 4, y equals negative 3x plus 1. 27, all they do is they give us 2 points. So first I find the slope. So slope y2 minus y1, negative 1 minus a negative 4, divided by x2 minus x1, 1 minus a negative 2. That becomes 3 over 3, which is 1. Now that I have the slope, I can use the point slope form. You can pick either point. Might as well pick the point that has nicer numbers. That looks a little nicer. So y minus a negative 1 equals m, which is 1, times x minus 1. Well, we multiply by 1, you don't have to do anything. Drop it. Y plus 1 equals x minus 1. Subtract 1 on both sides. Y equals x minus 2. Here's another one like that, 31. Negative 3, negative 2, 3, 6. First I find the slope. Y2 minus y1, 6 minus a minus 2, divided by 3 minus a negative 3. That comes out to be 8 over 6, or 4/3. Then I use the point slope form, which looks like this. If you're allowed to pick either point, I'll pick the one that has both positives rather than both negatives. Y minus 6 equals 4/3 times x minus 3. Distribute, this is 4/3 x minus 4. If I multiply this by this, the 3's cancel outside, minus 4. Add 6, y equals 4/3 x plus 2. Okay, for 35, okay, to find the slope, I go 3 minus 0 divided by 0 minus a negative 1 from given points. Okay, that's 3 over 1, which is 3. And the b is also 3 if you look at the picture. Okay, so y equals 3x plus 3. All right, so these are notes from Elham section 2.6 of Math 120 online.